Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Black Lives Matter, and today we'll be making Black Power Brownies by we're gonna make some Black Power Brownies by Stovetop Kisses
And kisses.
So Black Lives Matter, and we're gonna make some Black Power Brownies. So if you want to see us make that, please stay tuned and watch this video.
Watch this video.
Say Black Lives Matter.
And Black Lives Matter.
Like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on what we'll be using. All black. Okay, so this is dark chocolate, intense dark, 92%. You can get any dark chocolate you want, but I'm using this one. Some semi-sweet morsel chocolate again, which is dark. Vanilla, which is dark. A good old brown sugar, which is dark. Dark cocoa powder, organic. You can use non-organic cocoa powder, which is black.
Black too.
We're using some pecan, which is dark. Look like, which is dark.
Look at that.
Some butter, salt, 2 eggs, and some Caucasian flour. I'm just kidding. Some flour, just some regular flour. Okay, so we're gonna start by melting the butter, which is 2 stick. She suggests in the video 2 stick of butter. And you're gonna melt this. You're gonna break this up break up these chocolate so you can add them. And you want this to be nice and foamy. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Mommy, look, I didn't say half for you.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. So it's melted. I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of our dark cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna add these chocolate. We're gonna melt these chocolate also. We're gonna add everything. It's okay. Caramel sugar. This one is for the brown skin girls. 1/2 cup of sugar. Now you're gonna turn off the heat a little bit to make this cool. You're gonna add a pinch of salt, because as she said, you want the salt to balance out the sugar. Okay. Give it a stir now, Maya.
I'm giving it a big song.
Gonna add some vanilla. No, I said the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Right. Darker the chocolate, the better. Okay, so we're adding some vanilla, and we're making this cool down a little bit before we add the 2 eggs, because we don't want the eggs to cook.
No.
No. We're making it cool down a little bit.
Yep. Nope, we don't want to get to cook. No.
They're breaking up the pecans, and now I'm gonna add the 2 egg in. I'm gonna add the 2 egg. I'm gonna add the eggs, and I'm gonna quickly stir that in. throw this in the garbage. I'm going to quickly stir this in.
I'm done.
Break them up a little bit.
Okay. Is this? Is this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna add the flour, but we're gonna sieve it first before. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mix this, but we don't want to over mix, right, Maya? No over mix around.
No.
All right. See it? Lightly mixing it. Fold and fold and fold and fold. I'm gonna add the remainder. I'm gonna add the rest of the flour. Okay.
Now where was that? Oh,
You're doing a nice job over there, Maya. How does this look?
good.
Black and nice, right?
Yeah.
I should say, don't want to over mix this. So we're balancing everything out. Okay, so we're going to turn off the stove now. Grease the pan with some butter. And I'm not going to do the sides, only the middle. Or only the base. Okay. Right. So you're going to put this aside. I'm gonna add this into the tray, our baking tin. Oh my god, look at that black gorgeous. Oh my. Oh my, what do it look like?
Yeah. From her thing. This is really cool. This is the chocolate. I like it.
Go ahead and add our black soldier that's been fighting for us. And these are some dark chocolate chips. Okay, and I'm gonna lightly spread it on top. Spread them on top for me. Throw some on top. Okay. Representing. Okay, and this gonna melt. This gonna melt into the chocolate. Okay, put everything, Maya.
Okay, this.
And this for the chocolate lover. We're gonna add some pecan. We're gonna sprinkle some pecan on top because we love pecan.
Me too.
Okay. Sprinkle some. Now what color is the pecan? Brown skin girl.
Brown skin.
And now we're gonna add the remainder over it. Okay. And we already preheated our oven and it's 350 degree, and this gonna go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. $15 minutes at least, nothing over that.
Forgot this?
Yeah.
Don't forget this too.
So this is it before I put it in the oven. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now. In the oven. I'll put it together, okay? All this side, and you're gonna put it on the top tray, alright? Alright, good job. So we're gonna cut the brownie now. Even though it's hot, we're still gonna cut it for you. Okay. It feels so moist, Mama. You know?
Yeah.
You think we should wait till it cooler or cut it for them? Wait, no, wait. Wait. Cut it for them, you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Shape.
Okay, it's still hot. Oh my god. Now unite the two race together. We have white ice cream vanilla. Hopefully this come off good. So we're uniting the two. We have black, and we got white. So hopefully this come out because it's still hot. Oh my god.
You don't tell me my what?
Jesus! I might be over exaggerating, but god damn. Look at this. No. Really, Maya, look at this. For our first try, we did good. Making the brownies. We have to go stop by them brownies at the store now and start with one of our brownies. Look at this. Jeez. Look at that. Moist. No, look for yourself. Jesus. Okay, so before the ice cream melt, we're gonna
See, it's molten.
we're gonna let the big taster do it. We're gonna let the big taster do the taste test.
But give me to Aida.
You're gonna do the taste test.
Cause I'm gonna taste it. No, I don't do it with that.
No, it's the same. It's the same brownie. So just break off a little piece. Take your time. Alright, let me taste it.
It's yummy.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Let's eat the ice cream now.
Shit, no man. It's kind of leave the flavor up into the roof of your mouth. Make it linger. Tastes so good. No. Because I would really want you to taste this.
We should say some for Daddy too.
So we're gonna combine the two, black and white, and we shall unite and be stronger together.
Let's mix this together.
Oh, brain freeze. It's so good. Don't lie from the Maya. Is it brownie good or not?
It's good.
I love it, especially with the pecan. The pecan give it a nice texture. Oh no man, not too sweet. I was saving this one for myself, but whatever. Alright. Jesus Christ, no man. I thought we made one piece of bacon. So good, delish. So we're gonna tell them bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share, leave a comment down below. And subscribe.
Subscribe. And don't forget to click the button. If you click the button already, bye.